So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the language of your Google Assistant from English to any other language. That too in the easiest way, in which you neither have to download any third-party application nor do any major changes in the settings. So let's get started. So guys, to change the language of your Google Assistant, you don't need to do anything in your phone settings. You just go to your Google Assistant. There, click that Explore button on the top. As you can see right there, click that. There on the top right corner are those three dots, so click that. And then click Settings, which is the second option, and in there you need to click this Phone button. So click that Phone, and in there you'll see the assistant language right there. So click that and then click this, and you'll see this page where you can find multiple languages, and when you click on add language, you can add any language you want: Marathi, Hindi, or Chinese, Russian, any other. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done with Hindi. So I click that, and you can see that even my settings right there on the top, that changed to Hindi. So actually the whole phone changes into the other language which you select. So you can see right there all the apps and everything, all the names have turned into Hindi, and the Google Assistant's language has also changed to Hindi. So now let me show you how Google responds in Hindi. Okay Google, joke सुनाओ.
लीजिए एक चुटकुला. टीचर, संजू, कोई ऐसा वाक्य सुनाओ जिसमें हिंदी, उर्दू, पंजाबी और अंग्रेजी का प्रयोग हो. संजू, इश्क दी गली विच नो एंट्री.
Nice. Okay Google, एक और.
कंफ्यूज्ड अंडे ने क्या कहा? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
You saw that? And that's not just with jokes. You can do all the basic things like open apps. I'll show you. Okay Google, WhatsApp खोलो.
बोला जा रहा है WhatsApp.
It worked. So now if you want to just convert back to English, you go back to your Google Assistant, Explore, Settings, Phone, and change your assistant language, and everything just will become normal. So even my phone turned normal, it's back to English, you see, and even my Google Assistant. And that's not just for Hindi. If you want to change your Google Assistant's language to something else, you can do that too. Just go to that Explore option, Settings, Phone, and change Google Assistant's language. Click on that Add Language button, and you can add many languages. The Google Assistant supports a lot of languages such as Nepali, Marathi, then Russian, Chinese maybe. There are a few of them. You can just go and check them out. And I think that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.